We walk over the basics of installing Android Studio. Head over to Google and search for Android Studio. Then we open the official link. It should be the first link. We can drill down to download options. Here you have several download options depending on your computer. So ours will be Windows. Is Windows the recommended version. So click on it, you get terms and conditions, accept the terms, then you can download. Give you an option to save. Remember to check the location. The other option is to just click the download Android Studio directly. It will take you to accept terms now depending on your computer operating system. So give it some time to download and go to the download location. Double click the double click the installer and allow it to open. Click next. These are just details. Make sure Android virtual device is selected. Make sure it is selected. Click next. Note the location. Click next. These are the shortcut. The statement will be so allow it to finish the installation. So we are ready now to use our Android Studio. So we go to Start menu, or you can use the shortcut on your desktop, or create a shortcut. So look for Android Studio, expand the folder, and click on the installed application and allow it to open. So in the next tutorial, we will walk over the Android Studio interface, so that we can see the basics that you need to start developing the application. So this is the screen you get. Mine has projects I've done before. So you have the basics where you can create a new project or import, and you can configure your Android Studio. So you first configure our Android Studio. We go to SDK Manager, and Android SDK. You have several options. You have SDK platforms, so make sure all of them are selected. Then click apply. That will install the remaining. Also do the same for SDK Tools.